Bhuvnesha vlog. This is Ayush, and today the vlog is going to be special because today we have a tech product in the house. We have the Samsung Galaxy Fit E. So let's go into the box and check out some details of this device. Box this we have one first user guide and a warranty card inside the first chamber, and this is very important because it has a warranty card which is to be used by you, and please do keep it safely. Next we have the Galaxy Fit E watch itself attached with the container. This container contains the charger, so let's see the charger of this watch. So opening this box, we get this short charger which is not at all magnetic. So please do note, this is not a magnetic charger, this is a clip-on charger. So when you get the watch unboxed for the first time, you won't get it charged. So what we have to do is we have to keep it on the charge for some time to start up the guide. So putting up the process, we have the Samsung Galaxy Fit E logo with the Samsung logo later. So after booting the Samsung logo, it has an indication to pair the device with the phone. So now it's time to open the phone and start the pairing and booting process. So let's begin. So now connecting the watch to the phone, we have the pairing code with the watch also on the phone screen. So right now I'm using the iPhone 6s on pairing this device. So you have to click on Bluetooth and connect it to the watch, then it will show the band is connected. Now it's time to click on agree. Before that, please do read all the documents of the Samsung Health and report diagnosis. And next we continue with a logo to pair all the devices. Now it's the time to show some basic features on the app. On the top we have the charging indicator, and next basic feature we do have is Samsung Health. That I'm using iOS, so I don't really need the Samsung Health app. If you need, you can download it. Next we have the watch face. Here we have the standard watch face on the watch. Right now if you unplug the charger, you might see the theme on which it is now set to, and now you see here the basic theme right now set on the phone on the Samsung Fit app. So next what we can do is we can change the watch face. Let's try the heart one. So the heart rate one is installed in the watch. Now it looks very nice on the watch. We have the monochrome display of 0.74 inches. Next we have the brightness of this app, and brightness need to be set according to your wish. Next we have the wake up option for this thing, and here is the widgets. Here you can add or subtract any of these. In the first you won't get the calendar and heart rate, so you need to add it by yourself. Now here we have the advanced setting, where there are two modes to wake up your smartwatch. One is to double tap and is to lift your wrist. Let's click on both and let's see what this watch will do after the two method. So as it was connected to a charger, it won't be affected, and as it is tilted, the wake up option will really not work if you try. And let's talk about some feature. It has a monochrome display of 7.74 inches, 0.74 inches, and it has a 580 water resistance. Actually, the problem people face is that they do not find the place where to actually tap. So I need to say you can tap it whole over the watch. Even if you tap at the bottom, it will work. So next we have is the charging. It has 70 mAh battery in it, which is large. And my personal request is that this watch has an AI. That means if you do any activity, the AI will trigger and start recording your activity or workout with the calories burned. That was great. In other watch that you get in this price range are Mi Band, Honor Band, other also bands which are available in this price like Noise and other. But this watch is great as at this price point we don't get such accurate fitness tracker. We do get some fitness tracker but in more expensive prices. Here we also have the three color variant, which is the black, white and yellow, which are really good. And next we have is that it has a very lightweight, and when you do activities you don't actually feel the weight of this watch. So that all, if you liked this product, please do hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.